Welcome, Sarah, to the Conrad Maldives MURAKA experience.
A triumph of modern design and technology in a class of its own, the MURAKA.
Wow!
Welcome to the MURAKA residence.
This architectural marvel sits above and below the surface of the Indian Ocean.
And welcome to the masterpiece of the residence, the undersea bedroom. I hope you're not shy.
Wow!
Welcome to your new bathroom.
And if this is not already a mind-blowing experience, curate your own dream escape from an array of menus, all included in your MURAKA stay. Firstly, the Wanderer's Experience, where you can star in your own underwater exploration documentary. Secondly, the Flavors Experience, where everything is fresh from the ocean, where you can personalize your palate at any time of the day with flowing champagne and other delights. Enjoy moments of pure bliss to transform your soul. And finally, the Thrill Experience, where you can exhilarate your body and mind And when the day is over, you can even fulfill your lifelong dream of sleeping on the ocean floor. The MURAKA experience is truly unique and out of this world.